Hey guys, good morning. Meron lang akong ikukwento sa inyo bago ako pumasok sa work. And, saglit lang to. Kasi kanina, bago ko papasok, lagi ako nagbubukas ng, Facebook, checking, watching videos. At napadaan sa aking, wall is, kasi parang na-relate ako dito sa kanya. Usually gusto ko yung mga happy moments kapag sa morning ang para mas happy din ang yung mood ko in a day. But then I saw a video, a mother who is an OFW. I don't wanna cry, pero naiiyak ako kasi bumabalik yung alaala. Ayokong umiyak guys, lalo kong pumapangit. Pero try ko lang na hindi ako iyak. Anyways, yun nga, nakita ko yung video and nandun siya, tulog yung mga anak niya and nandun siya na umiiyak, nagpapaalam sa mga anak niya na alis na siya papuntang abroad. Yun na yung, alam nyo guys, naranasan ko yan. Oh my God. Kung gaano kasakit, masakit, parang dinudurog yung puso mo as a mom, as a mother. I left my kids, nag-abroad ako, and I left my boys, maybe I was, they were very, very young age. They are absolute my youngest, I think only 8 months. Just imagine that. And on that time, I was already single mom, and I have to work hard for them, and I was thinking about their future. Dahil mag-aaral na po yung panganay ko on that time. So I decided to, to go abroad kahit na I thought it will help na, para sa kanila. Kaya ako nag-abroad. And then suddenly, nakita ko nga yung video na yon and umiyak ako ng umiyak, guys. Grabe ang iyak ko. Kasi I was thinking, yung pakiramdam ko na bumalik yung alaala na kung supposedly nakalimutan ko na yon. Dahil my kids are grown up, they grown up to be good boys. And, pero yung pain, absolutely the pain came back. Actually, talagang, oh gosh, it's absolutely tulo ang luha ko. And, it hurts as a mom. Kaya, I actually understand yung mga OFW na mother, for the first time na iwanan ang mga anak. Oh gosh, truly understand you guys. Kaya yung mga parents na nandyan sa tabi ng mga anak nila, embrace your children while they're still young. Embrace them. Be a good mom. Do your best as a good mom. Kasi darating ang panahon, they will grow up and they have their own life na. And you miss their childhood. You miss them na nandoon yung kabataan nila. My boys are grown up nung makuha ko na sila. And it's different. Kahit yakapin mo sila, Mom, I'm big now, Parang hindi na yung, but I could still, naman sila, kung gusto kong hug sila, pwede naman. Pero there's something missing when they were in their childhood. Kaya, sa mga mom dyan, na nasa tabi ng kanilang mga anak while they were young, be a good mom to them at embrace them at do your best as a mom. Kasi mahirap din, katulad din sa mga OFW na malayo sa mga anak. Be strong and pray always pray, and God will lead the way. At patunay ko yan sa sarili ko.